Welcome to Fully Bright in 10. Here, we get it right, get bright, and stay bright. In this video, we will solve quadratic equations using the method of completing the square. So, let's get bright. Now, there are several steps that you need to take when completing the square. The first step is to move the constant to the right of the equation and keep all x terms to the left. Step 2. Divide the coefficient of the second x term by 2. Step 3. Square the number you get in step 2. Step 4. Add the number you get in step 3 to both sides of the equation you are given. Let us carry out these steps before we continue with more instructions. This is the equation that we will be working with. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So let us carry out the steps that we just listed. Step 1. Move the constant to the right of the equation, keeping all x terms to the left. Step 2. Divide the coefficient of the second x term by 2. So the second x term is what I have just circled, and the coefficient is minus 1. So, dividing the coefficient of the second x term by 2 gives us minus 1 over 2. Step 3. Square the number you get in step 2. When we square that, we get 1 over 4. Step 4. Add the number you get in step 3 to both sides of the equation you are given. So, x squared minus x, we're adding a quarter, equals 2, then we're adding a quarter. You got this, right? Now we can simplify. So we have x squared minus x plus a quarter, and then we just add 2 plus a quarter, and we end up with 9 over 4. I know you have this, because you are right. Now step 5, rewrite the expression on the left into a perfect square. So this is our equation. Carrying out step 5 gives us x plus a half all squared equals 9 over 4. Notice that this is a positive half. Step 6. Take the square root of both sides and solve for x. Doing that, we get x plus a half equals plus or minus 3 over 2. So let us use the first value, 3 over 2, to find the first value of x. So x is equal to 3 over 2 minus a half, which is equal to 1. And then x again is equal to minus 3 over 2 minus a half, and that gives us minus 2. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. These are the same values we got using the factorization method. So you must be feeling bright. So, Fully Brighters, can you solve a quadratic equation using the method of completing the square? I know you can do it. Why not try this on your own? X squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Using the method of completing the square, you should get x equal 1 and x equal minus 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fully Bright in 10, where we get it right, get bright, and stay bright.